Why is my Ring doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle an issue some of you might be facing: why your Ring doorbell isn't connecting to Wi-Fi. We'll discuss some potential causes and offer solutions to get your Ring doorbell back online and working smoothly. Let's dive in.
Is your Wi-Fi network working properly?
First and foremost, you need to check if your Wi-Fi network is working properly. Other devices should be able to connect to it without issue. If they can't, your router or internet service might be at fault. In this case, reboot your router or contact your ISP for further assistance.
Are you using the correct Wi-Fi network?
The Ring doorbell might have difficulty connecting if it's trying to connect to the wrong network. Make sure the network you're trying to connect your device to is the correct one, and your Ring device is within range. If not, move your Ring device closer to your router or use a Wi-Fi extender to increase the network's range.
Is your Ring doorbell's software up to date?
Outdated software could be causing connection issues. Check for updates in your Ring app to make sure your Ring doorbell software is current.
Have you tried resetting your Ring doorbell?
If the above steps don't work, try a hard reset of your Ring device. To do this, press and hold the setup button for about 20 seconds, then release it. The Ring doorbell will enter setup mode. Reconfigure your Wi-Fi settings through the Ring app.
Is your Wi-Fi network security setting compatible?
Some security settings might be incompatible with Ring devices. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is using a security protocol compatible with Ring devices, such as WPA or WPA2. If your network uses a different protocol, you may need to change your network security setting. In this video, we've covered some of the most common reasons why your Ring doorbell might not be connecting to Wi-Fi. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and have your Ring doorbell working properly again. Remember, when in doubt, you can always reach out to Ring's customer service for more help. Happy troubleshooting, and stay connected!